Using the Create Helix Spiral command in Vectorworks, you can quickly create a helix or spiral-shaped 3D object from a selected 2D or 3D path. To use this command, first select your path object in your drawing. This can be a 2D path, like a line or polyline, or a 3D path, like a NURBS curve. You may even use multiple path objects at once. The path will act as the center axis for the helix spiral. Now, click on the Model menu in 3D Power Pack. Click the Create Helix Spiral command. The Helix Spiral creation dialog will appear. Here you can specify the parameters for the new object. You can choose to specify the number of turns in the object, or you can use the pitch to create it. Use turns will allow you to specify the total number of turns for the helix spiral along the distance of the path. Use pitch will allow you to enter a pitch value for the helix spiral. This will be the distance between each successive turn along the path. Enter the start radius, which is the radius of the circle at the beginning of the helix spiral. Then enter the end radius. For a helix, enter the same value for both the start and end radius. For a spiral, enter a different value for the start and end radius. The start angle indicates the starting point for the twist in the helix spiral. The Flatten checkbox will flatten the object into a 2D spiral. You will not be able to use pitch with this option enabled. Click OK to create the object. You can modify the settings after creation in the Object Info palette, or you can use the Reshape tool to edit the path of the object. You can also right-click on the helix spiral and choose Edit Path to change the shape of the NURBS curve path that was used. You can use the Reverse Direction button to change the rotation of the helix spiral from clockwise to counterclockwise. The Create Helix Spiral command is useful for creating exact curves or for using as paths for other objects, like extrude or duplicate along path objects.